Hello everyone and welcome to our lesson 14th logarithmic functions mini-test solving. Here is the mini-test for those of you who did not watch the video and are here just to test your knowledge, or if you forgot to take the screenshot or solve it and you're just here to make sure that the tasks were actually correctly written down. So here the mini-test and let's go ahead with solving. Seems there's a mistake. The task said simplify because originally it was with variables, but then I changed it to numbers and forgot to correct it to solve, so I guess the instructions were unclear, so I hope you solved it. If not, as long as you simplified it, as long as it makes sense, that's all fine as well. But yes, here I'll just solve the first two, so this one is 3 and this one is 2, so 3 plus 2. And then, since this one is a different base, I will change it into base 2. By using the fourth or fifth rule that we had, and this on top gives us 1, on the bottom gives us 2, so this is 5 minus 1/2, which is 4.5. This isn't really that complicated. If you had troubles with this, I highly recommend checking the video again to see if you can find a way to remember it. If not, I don't know, honestly. I hope it was clear enough and this didn't cause any problems. And if it did, you can always ask questions in the comments, so I'll try my best to explain in a different way. I just don't have time and health to explain it in every possible way, plus I cannot imagine how every single person would interpret this question for themselves, so I'm always open to other interpretations. Hopefully they spark a different way of thinking, that way I can help more people. As for the next example, we had to solve for x in the logarithm of x minus 1 with a base of 3, which equals 2. To solve this, I'll anti-log this by each side being power that is the 3 is raised to. So 3 to the power of log of x minus 1 with base of 3 equals 9, because 3 to the power of 2 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 and log with base of 3 cancel each other out, so we're left with x minus 1 is 9, and carrying minus 1 to the right gives us a plus 1, which is 10, so x equals 10. And for the last one, we rewrite this one in exponential form and solve it. Logarithm of 125 with base of 5 equals x. This is just simple, we need to anti-log it, so we get 125 equals to 5 to the power of x. I could overcomplicate it, but it's... why would I? It's a mini test. It's not a full test. If you want a full test, I think you can find a lot more on the internet. This is just to check if you've been paying attention and if you've grasped the basics. So basically rewrite this as prime factors. So 125 divided by 5 is 25. 25 is 5 squared. So we have 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 to the power of x. And if there's 3 5s, so that's 5 to the power of 3. 5 to the power of 3 equals 5 to the power of x. X equals 3, which is the solution. And this is it for today's mini test. I hope the solving went well. I hope it didn't cause any troubles. If it did, again, comment down below. If you have more questions, join the Discord. We have a few very lovely people there. The server is dying because I am I have less and less time at home, but if we have people talking, I'll definitely be there helping people, talking to them. So yeah, drop by, say hi, and thank you all so much for tuning into the mini test solving, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.